Hello, students. I am Santosh sir. Here we are going to again discuss about cell organelles, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, and ribosomes. Together we will discuss here. So, endoplasmic reticulums and Golgi body are single membrane bound structures. Okay, so they are single membrane bound structures, and their member has the same structures like a plasma membrane. Means their membrane is made up of lipid and protein. Okay, and ribosomes, as we know that ribosomes are involved in the synthesis of the protein. Okay, so ribosomes involved in the synthesis of the protein in the cell. Golgi body in secreting, and the endoplasmic reticulum in the transporting and the storing the product. So these three organelles operate together. So we'll discuss here by seeing the picture. Okay, so first of all I want to tell you about the endoplasmic reticulum. Okay, then we will discuss about endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi body and ribosomes. And endoplasm, as you know that endoplasmic reticulum is of two types. स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, जिसको हम लोग जो है कि SER बोलते हैं. SER मीन्स स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम, एंड सेकंड इज अ rough endoplasmic reticulum. So there are two type of the endoplasmic reticulum, SER and RER. I will tell you. So I want to tell you about the endoplasmic reticulum ER. Endoplasmic reticulum is it is a network. Okay. So endoplasmic reticulum means a network in the inner fluid of the cell. It is a complex network of the channel bounded by the membrane. It spans out in the cytoplasm of the all eukaryotic cells. So we can say here endoplasmic reticulum is absent in the prokaryotic cells and mammalian RBCs. So keep in mind, note down everyone, endoplasmic reticulum is absent in prokaryotic cells, but and in mammalian RBC, इन मेमेलियन आरबीसी में भी जो है कि ये क्या होते हैं, एब्सेंट होते हैं. एंड वी कैन आई वांट टू टेल यू अबाउट एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम अकर इनटू टू फॉर्म्स. आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम एंड रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक. स्मूथ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम क्या होता है, मेम्ब्रेन ऑफ SCR आर स्मूथ बिकॉज ऑफ द राइबोसोम्स आर अटैच्ड टू दम. स्मूथ endoplasmic reticulum is a membrane of smooth endoplasmic reticulum are smooth because ribosomes are not attached to them, and rough endoplasmic reticulum means ribosomes are attached to them. Okay, so ribosomes are attached to the outer surface of the rough endoplasmic reticulum membrane. So what is the function of the ER? So first function of the endoplasmic reticulum provide mechanical support to the cells. It provides the mechanical support to the cell, and second, its channel form intercellular transport system, and third is it forms a new nuclear membrane after every cell division. It forms a new nuclear membrane after every cell division. And third is a smooth endoplasmic reticulum takes place in the synthesis and storage of lipid and steroids. So keep in mind, SCR take part in the synthesis and storage of lipid and steroids, while rough endoplasmic reticulum help in the synthesis and the transport of the protein. Keep in mind, SCR मतलब जो SCR होते हैं वो सिंथेसिस टेक पार्ट करते हैं इन द सिंथेसिस एंड स्टोरेज ऑफ लिपिड एंड स्टेरॉइड्स, जबकि रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम हेल्प्स इन द सिंथेसिस एंड ट्रांसपोर्ट ऑफ द प्रोटीन. एंड SCR, one more thing you write down, SCR of the liver cell take part in the detoxification of many drugs and poisons. अगर कोई पूछता है कि लीवर सेल में कौन सा एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेटिकुलम पाया जाता है, then you have to tell SER. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum is found there. SCR of the liver cell take part in the detoxification of many drugs and poisons. If any drug or poison or any harmful material has entered in the liver, then it can detoxify it. Okay, so I have already told you. Now you can see here some disturbance in the pages. Okay, so see here Golgi body, and now we are going to discuss about the uh, Golgi body. Do you know what is a Golgi body? Golgi body is also uh, cell organelles. Okay, Golgi body was described by Camillo Golgi. Camillo Golgi. So this apparatus was described by Camillo Golgi. Camillo Golgi was a scientist. Camillo, Camillo and Golgi in 1898. In 1898, Camillo Golgi described this type of the apparatus, and it is a specialized portion of the smooth endoplasmic reticulum meant for the cell secretion. It is present in all the eukaryotic cells except RBC. It is present in all the eukaryotic cells except RBC. It consists of the flattened sac or cisternae. Flattened sac or cisternae. You can see here cisternae. This is flattened sac. फ्लैटेंड सैक जिसको बोलते हैं या फिर सिस्टर्नी जिसको बोलते हैं, ठीक है. वेसिकल एंड लार्ज सेक्रेटरी वेसिकल्स आर वैक्यूल्स. सिस्टर्नी अकल इन द स्मॉल स्टैक्स. ए गोल्जी स्टैक हैज़ ए कॉन्वेक्स cis face and concave trans face. So it has a cis face. Okay, it has a cis face and trans face. cis face, जो cis face होता है यानी हमारा जो फ्लैटेंड होता है उसको cis face बोलते हैं. ओके, जो फ्लैटेंड होता है उसको cis face बोलते हैं, और जो है जो नीचे का पोर्शन जो गोल गोल सा होता है उसको जो है कि हम लोग ट्रांस फेस ऑफ द गोल्गी बोलते हैं. ट्रांस फेस. ओके, सो cis face is formative. It receives vesicles from the endoplasmic reticulum which is joined to form a new cisternae of the Golgi. Okay, secretory vacuoles and lysosomes are formed from the trans face of the Golgi complex. So keep in mind secretory vacuoles and lysosomes. This is trans. This is trans and this is cis face. This is cis face and this is trans face. So trans face, from the trans face, okay, vacuoles and lysosomes are formed. Lysosomes are formed. Lysosomes इसी से बनते हैं. Okay, from the trans face of the Golgi complex. It is a maturing phase. So trans phase is a maturing phase. So from this phase only, so it has, we can say here it has a two phase. One is a trans phase and another one is the cis phase. Convex cis phase and concave trans phase. So in the plant cell, Golgi apparatus consists of the several freely distributed subunits called dictyosomes. In the plant cell, Golgi apparatus consists of the several freely distributed subunit called dictyosomes. And what is the function of Golgi apparatus? Golgi apparatus, you can see here synthesis of the cell wall, plasma membrane, lysosomes and polysaccharides and glycoprotein. Second is a secretion of mucus, enzyme and hormones and storage of the secretory product. And third is the formation of the acrosomes in the sperm and cell plate during the cell division in the plant cell. And now we are going to discuss about ribosomes. Do you know what is a ribosomes? Ribosome क्या है? Just you have to comment it about ribosomes. Ribosomes means protein factories of cell. It is a protein factory of the cells. Ribosomes का दूसरा नाम है protein factory of the cells. So ribosomes are the smallest and spherical organelles. You can see on the endoplasmic reticulum dot structures. You can see that dot structure is known as ribosomes. Okay, ribosomes. As we know that ribosomes they are not bound by membrane. Means they are membrane. There is no membrane on the ribosomes. They occur either scattered in the cytoplasm means they are found in the scattered form or attached to the surface of the endoplasmic reticulum, forming rough endoplasmic reticulum. When they attach to the endoplasmic reticulum, then they form the rough endoplasmic reticulums. So they are formed of ribosomal RNA, and these are formed of ribosomal RNA and proteins. What is the function of the ribosomes? These are the site of the protein synthesis, hence called the protein factory of the cells. Okay, they are known as the protein factory of the cells. You can go through these differences. And one more thing I want to tell you, uh, 80s type of the ribosomes is found in the eukaryotes, and 70s ribosomes is found in prokaryote. Keep in mind 70s and 80s. 80s is found in eukaryotes, 70s is found in the prokaryotes. And what is S? S is the Swedberg's unit, which is used for measuring the ribosomes. Swedberg. You have to answer these questions and write down in your copy. And do you know what is the lysosomes? As you know that lysosome is known as the suicide bag. Lysosome is known as the suicide bag. It is known as the suicide bag. Lysosomes are found only in the animal cells. Lysosome is found only in the animal cell, and these are spherical and sac-like vesicles. Vesicle bounded by a single membrane. So we can say lysosome is a single membrane bound organelles. Okay, these contain several digestive enzymes which are synthesized in the rough endoplasmic reticulum and are concentrated in Golgi apparatus and packed in lysosomes. When released, this enzyme bring about the digestion of the various cytoplasmic structures. If these enzymes are released in the cells, they would result in the auto-digestion of the cells. Hence, lysosomes are known as the suicide bag of the cells. Function of the lysosomes. If we divide the lysosome in, then we get two parts. Lysis means breaking down, and soma means body. You can see here. First function of the lysosome is the lysosomes protect the body from the bacterial and viruses by the digesting them, and second, they destroy old worn out cell organelles, and third is they digest the stored food and even on organelles during the starvation. They provide energy by controlled breakdown of the stored food substance. Lysosomes help in the intracellular digestion. Now, students, you have to see this importance of the intercellular digestion by the lysosomes. It helps in the nutrition of the cell by the digesting food, as they are rich in the various hydrolysis enzymes which enable them to digest almost of the major chemical constituent of the living cell. You can go through this and study it. Rest things we will see later.